Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Anagha, Heroor, Medical Director, Anil Eye Hospital. Today in this video, we will discuss about the 5 common myths about Lasik that most of my patients have in their minds. Myth number 1, Lasik hurts or Lasik is painful. So let me reassure you dear friends that Lasik is a completely painless procedure. It takes around 15 minutes for both the eyes, and we put special drops, anesthetic drops in both your eyes that will numb it so that there is absolutely no pain. So there is no injection, no stitch, no pad and no pain. So please be rest assured. The only thing you need to remember is that you need to cooperate during the surgery and keep following our instructions and maybe look at a light that we will explain to you. But please remember that there is no pain. Myth number 2, my number will come back. Most of the patients feel that Lasik is not completely effective and that the number will come back or my number will not completely go away. So please remember, whenever we do your complete Lasik workup, we decide what is the exact treatment to be done for your eye and we aim for a complete correction. Unless of course your parameters do not allow for a complete correction, which will be explained to you. However, when we do a complete correction, most of the patients get their numbers completely removed. So you do not need to worry about it at all. After Lasik, depends on how your eyes heal, the number usually doesn't come back at all and definitely not as what it was before surgery. Very rarely, sometimes patients may have plus minus 0.5, 0.75 which may come in the next few years. But that does not make you dependent on glasses. So please remember that your number is not going to come back at all. Myth number 3, Lasik does not work after 40 years of age. Now at 40, what happens is you have a distance number and as well as a near number. Lasik works very well for the distance number. So if you have say a -4 number, then your number for distance goes completely away. But you will start getting glasses for near. So only for reading or anything at near distance you will have to use glasses. But your distance glass will go away completely. So it does not mean that Lasik does not work after Lasik. It works very well. Only thing, you will have to use near glasses around 40. For some patients, this may start somewhere even after the age of 35 years. But your distance number goes away completely. Myth number 4, Lasik can have blinding complications. Let me reassure you dear friends that Lasik is an extremely safe and time-tested procedure. Contact lenses sometimes patients feel are much safer than Lasik. Remember, contact lenses is something that you are going to put into your eye every single day and remove it at night. So the contact with your eye is almost multiple times in a day, every day for the next so many years. This means that the risk of infections is also that much higher. Lasik is a one-time procedure, scientifically proven. Medical evidence says that Lasik is absolutely safe. And in our experience of more than 20 years, we have seen Lasik results are absolutely fantastic and very safe. Many times patients feel that Lasik can have complications which can blind them forever. Remember, Lasik can never blind you. Even if you have some kind of minor number left, at the most you might need to use a very small number. But that does not mean that you will lose vision. So please be rest assured. Myth number 5, I need to take rest for 1 month after Lasik. Who is the time? Now, most of the patients do not know that Lasik heals very fast. So immediately, say the next day after surgery, you can go out, you can read your books, you can see the mobile, you can do driving, you can do your work on the computers, you can watch movies and everything that you do in your day-to-day life. 90% of the vision improves within the first 24 hours. And out of the remaining 10%, 5% by the end of 1 month and the last 5% settles in the next 2 to 3 months. So definitely you can start all your work as early as possible. You do not need to take rest for over 1 month at all. Most of our patients start their work from the next day onwards. Yes, on the day of surgery, you need to take rest for 4 to 5 hours. But from the next day, you're completely free to do all your work. So please remember, get your Lasik done and recover very fast. So friends, with advanced technology today, Lasik is an extremely safe procedure, time-tested procedure that will help to get rid of your glasses. If you still have any doubts or queries, please do not go on hearsay, ask the experts and we will be ready to help you and clear all your doubts. Thank you.